We have a Lowrance GPS Fishfinder here. Customer sent it in originally for a no power on condition. After troubleshooting, we found two shorted electrolytic caps in the power supply section of the board. We replaced those caps, which seemed to resolve the issue. Power's on fine, works perfect, fully tested. I sent it back to the customer. Shortly after, we got an email from the customer saying they're experiencing an issue still, not the same issue, but it powers on for about 5-10 seconds and then shuts right back off. So we got it in. We told the customer obviously we get it right on the bench as soon as it comes in, which we have it now. We have it hooked up to the bench power supply, and we're gonna see what we can find here. We've got 12 volts that normally the battery's plugged into. Let's get that up to 12. There.